Hello everyone. There are many learners who are beginners. They think that they should start learning spoken English after learning all the grammatical rules. But after learning grammatical rules, they stuck while speaking. And it is true, so to speak. So today in this video I will tell you what is the right time for learning spoken English. When you can commence your spoken English journey. So let's start. So the first thing that I will tell you if you want to improve your communication is don't think of improving your grammatical aspect when you are trying to improve your communication, because here if you are trying to improve your grammatical aspect fast in spoken English, so it will take whole lots of time to make you more coherent and more good speaker. So personally I suggest you, if you are beginner, if you are callow in this particular language, I'm not talking about dilettante, because those guys are just learn language but just for fun. But if you're learning this language just for your professional perspective, so I will suggest you to learn this language through practice, through unremitted practice. You have to do it regularly, irrespective of how much knowledge you have acquired about grammatical things. In my case, I am not that good at grammatical rules. I am inept somewhere I can say, but I'm not that inept too. I'm adept too. So I will tell you, if you want to improve your English, so no one need to learn grammatical rules and all. You should learn, but I will tell you also what you should learn. If you want to learn your grammatical, if you want to improve your grammatical aspect in spoken English, then you can start from tenses, because tenses plays a important role here. It is the backbone of this communication. I mean English communication. You have to know. You have to know in which tenses you should speak when you're speaking with your co-learner, okay, who is sailing in the same boat. So first thing, if you want to improve your grammatical rules, I mean grammatical knowledge and perspective in spoken English, so first learn tenses first. Learn all the 12 tenses, and it helps you drastically, believe me. It helps you a lot. And one burning point, that is one burning grammatical things that you should know, is modal verbs. You have to know, because it helps a lot, believe me. When you are more aware about modal, it helps you a lot to make your English more important and more attractive. Okay, if you want to be sound like really professional speaker, then you should learn modal verb. It is really way helpful, believe me. So first I said tenses, you have to learn all the 12 tenses, and then second you have to learn modal verb. I know it is really hard to learn, but you will able to learn if you are learning while speaking, no, while, I mean, you have to learn simultaneously while practicing. Okay, that's how you can kill two birds with one stone.